Hello my dear student of class 7. This is your mathematics class and this is part 4 chapter 1 exercise 1.1. So today I will continue this exercise number 1.1 math number 10. Here said 10.1 a water tank has steps inside it. Suppose this is a water tank. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That means this is topmost, so monkey is sitting on this step. And next set, the water level is at the 9th step. So this is, suppose this is first step and this is second, this is third, this is fourth, fifth, this is sixth, seventh, eighth, and this is 9th step, and water is here. So in number 1, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. So in the first jump, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps down and 2 steps up. So in the second jump, in the 1, 2 steps up. So monkey is in second step after second jump. So we find in how many jumps will he reach the water level. Water level means in the 9th step. So in the first jump, is on in the first jump, that means he jumps 3 steps down. So from the first, so 1 plus 3 equals to 4th. So monkey is on 4th step. 4th step means in this position. So after first jump, monkey is on this step, the 4th step. So in the after second jump, means monkey jumps 2 steps up from this step. From 4th step, see 4 plus 2. 4 minus 2. 2 steps up. So 4 minus 2. That means second step. So after second jump, monkey on second step, that means this step. So this is not 9th. So after third step, third jump, monkey will be on from second. Then monkey jumps 3 steps down. So 2 plus 3. From this step, monkey jumps 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. That means this is 5th step. This will be after third jump. So now monkey is here. Now after 4th jump, 4th jump means monkey jumps 2 steps up. That means from this step 1, 2. So from this. So 5 minus 2, then we get 3. So this is third step. So after 4th jump, monkey is in this step, even third step. Now next we try after 5th jump. After 5th jump, monkey is in now this position, that means this third step. So after 5th jump, that means monkey jumps 3 steps down. 3 steps down means 1, 2, 3. So we should add 3 from this. 3 plus 3, 6 step. So monkey is now this position. Now again he jumps 2 steps up. So after 6th jump, monkey is on 6. 2 step up, that means 6 minus 2, then you get 4. So monkey is on this step, that means this 4th step. Now in the similar way, we try next jump. This is 6th, next 7. So after 7 jump, in the 6th jump, monkey will be this position 4th. So after 7 jump, that means 4 plus 3, 3 steps down. So 1, 2, 3, we get 4 plus 3, that means 7 step. Next, monkey jumps 2 step up. So after 7, next is 8. This is 7 minus 2. 2 step up. So 7 minus 2, that means in 5th step. Now till now we do not reach this position, 9th position. Now this is 5th. So again we try this process again after 9th jump. Monkey will, now this is 5th position. So monkey will be 3 step down, that is 5 plus 3. And then this is 8 step. So next, after 10th jump, monkey will be on, this is 8 step, and then monkey jumps 2 step up. So 8 minus 2, then you get 8 minus 2 equals to 6 step. Now monkey will be in this position, that means 6th step. And after 11th jump means monkey jumps 3 steps down from this position. From this position to 3 steps, that means 1, 2, 3, that means this position. 9th position. This is the required position. So 6 plus 3 equals to 9th position. Now we know that water is in this position, 9th position. So monkey now reach this water level. So this is the final jump. That means 11th jump, this is the final jump. Now here question is, in how many jumps will he reach the water level? Now water level is in this position, 9th position. So after 11th jump, monkey will reach the water level position. So after 11th jump, monkey will be reach on the water level. This is the required answer, and this is 10 number 1. Now next question is 10 number 2. This is the same process and same as this number 1. So you should try at your home 10 2. You should try the same way. Now next day we will continue this chapter and exercise number 1.1, and here the last question 10 3. So bye and stay home, stay safe.